Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our online teaching class, and our subject for today is mathematics. And now we are still in Unit 9, which is time. Before we go to our topic, let's read three vocabulary words. Everyone, please kindly turn on your microphone and let us read. Days. Very good,
This.
Sakonti and Jakapong and Linchai. I can hear there. And Mona. Everybody, days.
This.
Okay, in Thai?
One.
Again? Very good. Wait a minute. It's not working.
Teacher, may I drink water, please?
You can drink water if you want. Don't say to teacher anymore, okay? Because I cannot see you here. Next,
Okay.
diary.
Diary.
Next, diary means you're going to write the things or the event that you want in a day. Okay, after the day, you're going to write. Next, year. Year. A year. Next, and now our topic for today is all about time. It's continuation about last week. Okay? Exercise. Answer is the questions. How many days are there in 5 weeks? How many days are there in 5 weeks? Use calculator. How many days are there in 5 weeks?
35? 35?
Are you sure? Oh, how many days in 1 week? How many
1 week
days are
is
there in
7
1 week?
days.
Huh?
7 days.
7. Okay. In one week, right? Now,
Yeah.
in 5 weeks, how many days?
In 5 weeks.
So you're going to times by 5,
Times
right?
5? Yes,
So how many
35.
days?
Teacher, I said 35 days is correct now.
Answer?
Teacher,
Okay,
I
there
said
are 35
35.
days in 1 week. Okay,
Teacher,
so
I said
35 days in 5
35.
weeks. Next, how many minutes are there in 20 hours? How many minutes are there in 20 hours? Okay, let's use calculator again. In 1 minute, how many hours? In 1 minute, how many hours? 60, am I correct? 60 minutes, right?
Yes.
Next, 60, you're going to times by 20
Times 20
equals, answer,
equals
times. What's the answer?
120.
Oh, not correct. Another answer?
Teacher, wait.
1,800 minutes. Another answer?
Teacher, 60 times 20.
Yes, 60 times 20. 1,000?
1012. Oh,
1,800. Another answer?
100, 200. 1200.
1,200. So the answer here, there are 1,200 minutes in 20 hours. Okay, some students, they are still coming. Who's this? Shabu Shabu.
Kanyanak.
Kanya na. Okay, next. Everybody. How many weeks are there in half a year?
You have a
How many weeks
year.
are there in a half a year? So how many weeks are there in 1 year?
1 year. 52.
52,
52.
very good. Okay, and you are going to divide by half, 2. So how many?
52.
What's the answer? Half a year. Half. The answer is what?
52.
Yes. Oh, it's very easy. Passive song.
There are
Again, Jakarapong.
52
Uh,
weeks
it
in
means, okay, there are, no, 54, sorry, okay, 54, this one's wrong. Okay, wait. There are 54, right? 54 weeks, am I correct? 54 weeks in 1 year. Okay,
No,
because if you're
teacher,
going to times
it's
by
52.
52 or 54?
52.
52, right? But this one, there are 24 weeks in half year. So this one's 21 only, right? Okay, this one
Yes.
is wrong. Okay, 52 only. Because if you're going to times by, wait, I'm going to check. So 52, you're going to times by 7 equals 364 or 365, right? But if you're going to divide by 54, yes, okay, because this one's wrong. By 7 equals, no, it's only 54. So this one, half a year, it's only 21. This one's wrong, okay? Next, it's 21 only. All right, here. Okay, next. How many days are there in 2 years?
Two
How many days are
years.
there in two
Then,
years?
um,
How many days are there in 1 year? 300 what?
365.
365 or 366, right? Times by 2
365.
equals 733
Teacher,
or
time up.
732. Am I correct? Oh, yes. Okay, 730
732.
or 732. Okay, next one. Exercise again. Answer each of the questions. How many months are there in 9 years? Ooh,
How many months are
Kauti.
there in 9 years?
Kauti.
9 years.
Yes, 9 years. So
One,
9
one years. 1 years
times
have
by what? How many
6
years?
108. 108
Are you
months.
sure?
Yes, 108 months.
Equals
8 months. 108, teacher. Teacher, 108.
108. Okay, let's see. It's correct. Yes, there are 108 and they're in 9 years. Okay, next one. Reading a diary. It's an Anuat's diary. Day, it's Monday. The day, it's 15th of July. Time and activities. The time, it's 5 a.m. Activity that
Wake up.
he does, wake up. Wake up in time. Okay. 6 o'clock a.m.
6 a.m.
Eat
Eat
breakfast. Eat breakfast in
breakfast.
time. Okay. 6:30 a.m. Leave for
Late
school.
for
So
school.
leave was okay. Leave for school. Next, 7 a.m. Arrive at school.
Arrive at school.
So arrive at school. It means he has 30 minutes, right? Next,
Teacher, what mean leave for
12 noon
school?
or 12 p.m.
12 noon.
Lunch. Lunch
Lunch.
time. 3:30 p.m. School is
3:30
over.
School.
Or
School
school
is
is finished. Okay? Finish coming. Okay, next one. Alan what's diary? Oh, it's come back again. Okay, this one. Not yet finished. 5 p.m. Arrive home. 6:30 p.m. Study. 7:30 p.m. It's dinner. Dinner inside. In in. 10 p.m. Go to bed. Okay. So read this diary and answer of each question. Whose diary is it? What's the name of the student? Huh? Sa
whose
konti.
diary it is?
What's the name?
Diary.
Ananwat's diary. Very good. Okay. It's
Teacher.
Ananwat's diary. Very good sa
Teacher.
konti. He remembered. Next, number 2.
Teacher.
Where do the activities
Oh,
takes
6
place?
p.m. Go to bed.
Where do the
Where
activities
do
take place?
take place? Take place
Activity. So where did you study? Home and
on the
where?
school. Home to school.
Home to school. Very good. Next one. Does he have lunch at home?
Yes. Oh no,
Huh?
no.
No, he had lunch at school. Very good. Next. What time does he arrive at school?
Arrive at school 7 a.m.
7 a.m. Very good. What does he do at 7:30 p.m.?
7:30 p.m.
Dinner,
Dinner.
dinner,
Dinner.
Okay, he
dinner.
ate his dinner. Very good. Okay, problem solving. Okay, example. 01 is a secretary. She starts typing a letter at 9:40 a.m. She finishes typing at 10:20 a.m. How long does she take to type the letter? So mathematical sentence 10:20 minus 9:40. Now, listen here. She finishes typing at 10:20. She starts typing at 9:40. You're going to minus, right? So 20 minus 40 cannot. You cannot. Am I correct? Yes or no? You
Yes.
cannot minus 20 over 40. Okay? What are you going to do now? You are going to borrow 1 hour. Am I correct? You're going to borrow 1 hour. Nung mo. So in 1 hour, how many minutes? How many minutes? 60. Very good. So 60 plus 20 equals 80.
40. Ay,
80. 80. 80 first. 80. So 80
40.
minus 40 equals 40.
40
So
minutes.
9 minus 0 is 0. So the answer, the total you have is 40 minutes. Okay? Next one. Okay? But we are not going to answer this one because too many. Okay? Look at here. So the examination starts at 8:30 a.m. and ends at 11:10 a.m. How long is the exam? Look, if you're going to minus this one, okay, 10, you're going to borrow, okay? You're going to borrow. So the answer is 2. You're going to minus, right? So this one, 10 and 30 cannot be. You're going to borrow 1 hour here
1 hour
and it
and
will become 60. This one will become 10. Am I correct? So
yeah.
60 plus 10 equals 70.
17.
70 minus 30 equals
14.
40. So this one, 10 minus 8 equals 2. So the
10
answer
minutes
here is
equals
2
2.
hours and
2 hours
40
40 minutes.
minutes. Okay, another one. The bus leaves Silom Road at 1:40 p.m. and reaches Rangsit at 3:20 p.m. On the same day, how long is the journey from Silom Road to Rangsit? Example, look at here. So the mathematical sentence, okay, 3:20 p.m. and 1:40 p.m. Next, can you minus 20 to 40? Yes or no? Can you minus? Can you minus? 20 minus 40 equals what? Cannot, right? So now you are going to what? Borrow 1 hour. So in 1 hour, how many minutes? Very good. 60. So this one will become 2. And this one, 60 plus 20 equals
80.
80. 80 minus 40 equals
80 minus
40. So the answer
40
is one
equals
hour
40.
and 40 minutes. Okay, and now let's play a game first. This one. I don't know, it's working. Okay. Alessandra reads a book for an hour. She began at what? When did she stop? Huh? 6 o'clock 45. This one wrong. Alexandra
7:45.
reads a book for an hour.
7:45.
9:45.
7:45. Very good. Who is that?
Pichaya.
Luis. He goes to the park at the time shown. Okay. Go to the park. This one. She takes he skates for an hour, 1 hour. When does he go
11:50,
home?
teacher.
50.
20:15.
What 2015? Where do you have 2015 here?
อะไรอ่ะ
11:15.
11:50.
Again. We don't have timer. Remove the time. Unlimited time. Yes. Okay. Okay. Answer. It takes an hour to get from Loxley Sniff by car.
2:50.
Freya begins her journey at the time shown. When does she arrive?
2:15.
2:15.
2:50.
Are you sure? No, look. It takes an hour.
Hour? What
Huh?
again?
3:15. Very good, Jack Rapong. He understand already. It takes an hour again, 1 hour to get from Stanford by car. Albi begins his journey at the time shown. When does he arrive? So the time here is 6:45. 6:45. And now it takes 1 hour again, 1 hour again, so that he can arrive. So what time he can arrive?
8:45. 8:45.
6:45.
Very good. Do you understand? It takes an hour to get from Loxley State by bus. Macy begins her journey at the time.
11:45.
20. 10:20.
Answer?
11:45.
10:20.
11:45?
11:45.
Incorrect. Very good, Sakonti. Okay, Sakonti got the correct answer. Maya plays with friends for an hour. She began at the time shown. When did she stop?
0.
00:15? Are you sure?
No. No.
1:15. Very good, Jack Rapong. Josh goes to the park at the time shown. He takes for an hour again, 1 hour. When does she go home?
An hour. 8.
When does he go home?
What does he go home? 6:35.
Again?
6:35.
3:35? No, it's 3:35 already and takes 1 hour again before you go home.
6.
Very good, Sakonti and Jack Rafong. Next.
Ay.
Felix goes to the park at the time shown.
7:15.
He plays football for an hour. Plays football.
7:15.
No ไม่ใช่ No teacher no
7:15.
7:15 he starts to play. Listen, and he's going to play for 1 hour.
Teacher is
An hour.
9:15.
Next, the question is, when does he go home?
15.
Teacher is 9:15.
Huh?
9:15.
8 and 15. Very good. Next. It takes an hour to get from Roxley Stanford by train. Roxy began her journey at the time shown. When does she arrive?
Okay.
10:15.
What 11 and 15? We don't have 15 here.
11,
Okay. 11 and
11, 50.
very good. 11 and 50. And now let's go our word wall activity.
My
Antemerija means what?
Alto means surrounding or AM.
Very good.
AM.
Next.
C.
Number 2. How many months are there
Many
in
months
2
are there
years?
into
Sorry,
24
B.
24
24
months.
months. Very good. Next. Number 3. 5 in the morning.
AM.
AM. How many days are there in 5 weeks?
Yes. 35
25
days.
days,
35
25
days.
days, 35
35 days.
days,
Again?
35 days.
35 days.
Yay.
And number 5.
5.
How many minutes are there in 20 hours?
In 20
Nine,
hours.
8, 9,
Minutes.
1,200.
1,200 minutes.
1,100 minutes.
Okay, and now let's go to our quiz activity.
Okay.
Okay, get your phone now. Ah, okay, you can join. Wait, ah. Who's Prapay? That's the name of your father or mother? Ma- Hmm. Hmm. Faster, please. How about the other students? Let's check the attendance.
Teacher, I come now.
Uh, can sit not here.
ชนิดาภา
Tanida Par not here.
อย่าเพิ่ง
Can sit. Chanida Par. Who else?
ปณิสรา
Panisara.
Teacher Nashawan have
Pawitip. Am I correct?
yes Teacher Nashawan have
Who else?
Nashawan
Can sit. Alright, here already.
นัชวันพิมพาพรทิเชอร์พิมพาพร
มาพรอยู่ในสาย
Who else?
กัญญนัท
For your coming now, I call your name.
Come on.
Pawitip
นี่
not
พิม
here.
พาพรก็ยังอยู่ในนี้นี่
อยู่ในเกมเหรอ
ไม่อยู่ในห้องแชทเนี่ย อยู่ในเนี่ยกมลทัศน์ก็อยู่ในห้องแชทเรากดเข้าไม่ได้เรากดแล้วไม่ได้ฟิน
Wait.
เราเสร็จหมดแล้วอะพี่เจ้าสต็อกเกมพี่เจ้าสต็อกเกมรอคนที่เขาจะเล่นนะรอเพื่อนก่อนเราเกลียดที่ขยะจริงๆเลย
Okay.
น้องอีกเขียนวิทยาและอีกอ่ะ
Enter now.
พี่เสียเราไม่ได้เราพูดผิดเราเขียนกันตะพัด
Okay, number 3, number 2, number 1, number 1, hour. Okay,
เราเขียน
now
กันตะพัด
I'm going to send the link to you and do your live worksheet activity.